I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essential settings so you don't chase phantom problems. First, open sound settings and confirm volume levels and do not disturb are off. Many phones mute notifications automatically. Once done, test audio with headphones and speakerphone and try a different app to isolate hardware versus software. Make sure Bluetooth is off so audio isn't rerouted. Then perform a restart. This clears temporary audio service locks and often restores normal sound immediately. Next, dig into software causes. If only one app lacks sound, clear its cache or reinstall it so corrupted files aren't blocking audio. Make sure apps have required permissions. Lacking permission can mute playback or recording. Check for system updates. Manufacturers push audio driver fixes. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is the culprit. Once identified, uninstall that app. You can also reset sound settings to default to undo any misconfigured profiles. Finish by ruling out physical faults. Inspect speaker grills for lint and use gentle compressed air to clear blockages because obstructed ports muffle sound. Test with a known good pair of earbuds or an external Bluetooth speaker to confirm speaker failure. If software and simple hardware fixes fail, back up your data and perform a factory reset. This removes deep software corruption. If silence remains after reset, contact a repair service and provide model, firmware version, and diagnostic tests you ran so they can quickly identify hardware failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.